In this section, we'll be looking at the continuation of table 6.1. Okay, and if you look at the following integral we have, it's very simple. This is similar to the first law that will say that integral of this, okay, is equal to what? X to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, but in this case now, something is added. We have a constant added, and we have an attachment to the function x. So the rule has not changed. The only addition to that is just that you write your question, this plus b, then the power n plus 1, all over what? Whatever you have here, n plus 1. You divide by the attachment to your function x, and that attachment is what? Is a. So that will have 1 over a in this place, 1 over a. The second one, we've also said in the table 6.1 that integral of exponential is the same as the question. Okay. In this case now, integral of exponential is the same, but we have to divide by the attachment to what? To the function x, and that's what? 1 over what? 1 over a plus what? Plus c. Plus c. Don't forget this b plus b, they're just constants. Okay? This one, we also said in table 6.1 that integral of 1 over x is what? Is ln x. Here, two things is added. A is added, which is attached to function x, and then a constant b is also added. Okay, the b could be positive, it could be negative. Okay, so it doesn't change the form of the answer. It's going to be ln of the denominator. Okay, then you divide by the attachment to that function, 1 over a plus 1 plus c. Also, integral of cos is sine of the function ax plus what? Plus b. And put your constant there. And don't forget, check the function inside. What attaches the function x is a. You divide by that. Yeah, we have the following question. Integrate the following. So, the a part, put the integral sign, sine 2x plus 1. So this is very simple. The first thing to do is to check what is the integral of sine, which is minus what? Minus cos. And then put the function there, 2x plus 1. Okay, then check the function. What attaches to the function x? That's 2 over, you divide by 2. Okay? Or you can say, okay, what is the derivative of this function? Which is 2. So you divide this one by what? By 2. The b part, integral of this will be equal to, for exponential, you write the question, then you divide your answer by the coefficient of your function over 2, and then what? Plus c, plus c. Number 3, integral of exponential 4 times exponential to power x plus 5. Anytime you have exponential, just write your question will be your answer. Then check the exponent, check the power. Okay, what is the derivative of the power? In this case, the derivative is what? Is 1, so over 1. So it has no effect. So plus c. D, integral of cos 1 minus 2x dx. Okay, dx. So integral of cosine is sine of the function. Okay, plus c. Then check the function here. What is the derivative of that? The derivative of this function is what? Minus 2. So you divide by what? You divide by minus 2. For e, integral of cosec squared 3x. Very simple. What's the derivative of cosec squared? That's minus what? Minus cos of the function. Okay, plus c. Then you now check what is the derivative of this function. What is the derivative of this function? That is what? That's 3. You divide by 3. Over 3. f integral of sec 4x times 4x. So this is a direct table. So your answer will what? Dx, dx. Your answer will be sec 4x. Okay? And don't forget that the function here and the function here, they are the same thing. They must be the same. They must be the same. Okay? Then you now check the function you have here is 4x. What is the derivative of 4x? That's 4. You divide your answer by 4. 1 over 4 plus c. And if you don't want to use the statement of derivative, okay, you can just say, what is the coefficient of the function? The coefficient of this function is 4. You divide your answer by 4. G, integral of S3 can come outside the integration. Sine 1 over 2x plus 1 dx. Okay? Integral of sine is minus cos of the function. Then put the constant of integration. Is that all? No. There's a 3 here. Put your 3 there. Put your 3 there. Okay? Then again, there is your function here. Check it. Is there an attachment to the function? Yes. The attachment is what? 1 over 2. Over what? Over 1 over 2. Okay? And don't forget, there is 1 here. Okay? So when you reciprocate 1 over 2, it will change to what? To 2. So it's going to be minus what? Minus 6. That's 3 times 2. Minus 6 cos 1 over 2 plus 1. So that's your answer. Okay? That's your answer. Integral of cosec 2x cos 2x. So this is just a direct table. This is direct table. It's just a table. Use your table. So this will be, your answer will just be minus cosec 2x. Then you divide by what? By the attachment to the function. 1 over 2 plus c. Okay? The last one, integral of cos 3x minus sine 3x dx. So integral of cosine is sine 3x. Then you divide by the attachment to the function. Then here, the derivative of sine is minus cos 3x. Then you divide also by the attachment to the function, that's 1 over 3. Then plus c. So the final answer will be 1 over 3 sine 3x minus that's plus 1 over 3 cos 3x plus c. So that's that on this aspect. And I want to say at this point that there are 2 major ways, or you'll be more than that, to be mathematics guru, to be mathematicians. You follow, is there any rules? Is there any laws? You follow that. Okay? And the second one is to practice questions. You practice what? Practice questions. The more questions you practice, the better you become. Okay? The more questions you solve, the better you become. And then that will give you advantage of being rooted in that subject. Okay? And that's what we are doing in this channel, to play with more questions, as many questions as possible. Okay? Check. Learn a standard table, use the table, then apply the table for many questions, as many questions as possible. Please, if you are new on this channel and you have to subscribe, that is the only way you can advance this channel. That is the only way you can advance this channel. Please click on the icon on the video and subscribe so that you can keep track of the update of the channel. Click on notification bell, click on like button, and send your comments. Okay? Send your comments. And finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.